Benjamin Jaffe, SQ Law. What is the difference between a bench trial and a jury trial? So, if you're charged with a crime, you have a right to a trial. In fact, you have a right to a jury trial no matter what you're charged with, at least in adult court. In juvenile court, you don't. But the point is, if you choose to, you can have a bench trial. Now, the state will have to agree to a bench trial as well, but a bench trial would just mean the judge hears the case and hears all the facts and the evidence in the case, and the judge solely makes the decision as to whether they think the state met their burden and they proved their case beyond a reasonable doubt. The exact same circumstances apply if you are having a jury trial. In that case, though, if you're charged with a felony, 12 jurors are picked and they will decide based on what evidence they hear and what they see and sort of the way that they understand everything, as they will come to a conclusion as to whether they think the state has met their burden or not. So the only difference is really who's hearing the case and who comes to the conclusions. In general, on misdemeanor cases, the default setting is a bench trial. You have to ask for a jury trial, and you have time frames that you have to ask in, prior to the actual trial date being set or being actually taking place. So you have to ask for a jury trial in a misdemeanor case, but you do have a right to a jury trial in those cases as well. Again, in juvenile court, you don't have a right to a jury trial, unfortunately. You would have a bench trial or fact-finding hearing because it's treated a little bit differently, and a judge would be solely in control of that sort of thing.